In this quick Descript guide, we'll walk you through how to adjust audio levels in Descript, a powerful software that makes editing audio and video a breeze. Whether you're a complete beginner or just getting started with audio editing, understanding how to balance your audio is key to making your content sound professional. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to use Descript's tools to quickly and efficiently adjust the audio levels in your projects without wasting time on complicated processes. When you first open Descript, you'll notice its intuitive interface, designed to make audio editing seamless. The first thing you'll want to do is upload your audio or video file into the project. Once your file is loaded, Descript will automatically transcribe your audio into text, making it easy to edit the words and the audio itself. But what if you're having trouble with the audio levels? Don't worry, Descript has got you covered. To adjust the audio levels, go to the track settings in your timeline. Here, you'll find a volume slider. This is where you can raise or lower the audio volume for specific tracks, ensuring your audio levels are consistent across your project. If your audio is too low, simply slide the volume up. If it's too high, lower it until it's balanced. Descript also gives you the ability to adjust levels for individual speakers. If you're working with a multi-track project, this can be incredibly helpful. You can adjust each person's audio level independently by clicking on the specific track and adjusting the volume slider for that track only. This is perfect for podcasts, interviews, or any project where multiple voices are involved. If you want even more control over the audio, Descript offers a feature called auto leveling. This tool automatically adjusts the volume across your entire project so everything sounds even. While it's not always perfect, it's a great starting point for balancing your audio without having to manually tweak every individual track. For those who need a bit more precision, you can dive into the waveform view. In this view, you'll see a visual representation of your audio, which makes it easier to spot areas that are too quiet or too loud. You can adjust these sections manually by dragging the waveform up or down, giving you granular control over your audio levels. Now you might be wondering how to make sure your audio isn't peaking, meaning your levels aren't going into the red zone and causing distortion. Descript helps you avoid this by providing a visual indicator when your audio is too loud. If you see the red section in your audio track, it's time to adjust the levels to avoid distortion. A good rule of thumb is to keep your audio between 6 dB and 3 dB for clean, clear sound. As you're making adjustments, be sure to listen to your audio through headphones or speakers to ensure it sounds the way you want. Sometimes the numbers on the screen don't tell the whole story, and you'll want to trust your ears as well. Descript makes it easy to adjust your audio levels with these simple tools, but if you're looking to take your audio editing to the next level, there are other advanced features you can explore, like EQ and noise reduction. But for now, these basic adjustments will set you up for success. If you're just getting started with Descript, I highly recommend checking out the free trial and playing around with the audio features yourself. And speaking of that, we've got an exclusive extended free trial for you. Click the first link in the description below to get access and start exploring Descript's powerful tools at no cost. Adjusting audio levels in Descript is fast and easy once you know where to look. With the tips you've learned in this video, you'll be able to fine-tune your audio and produce high-quality content in no time. Make sure to check out the exclusive free trial below and start mastering your audio editing today.